Hello and welcome to the CFM tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to start your NEA device and explore the settings available in its interface. To turn on the device, plug the power cable into the round port located at the back of your NEA. To access the different configuration menus, tap the gear icon located at the bottom right of the screen. To enter the settings menu, tap the tool icon. The light bulb icon allows you to adjust the screen brightness. Use the plus and minus buttons on the right side of the screen to set the brightness level that suits you. The back arrow lets you return to the previous menu. Next to the light bulb, you'll find the time settings. Here, you can set the time, choose the 12 or 24-hour format, and select the time zone. You can then return to the previous menu. The speech bubble icon allows you to change the language of your device. The connectivity menu, represented by the Wi-Fi icon, allows you to connect your device to your network. To return to the main menu at any time, tap the home button. That's all for now. Feel free to watch our other videos. See you soon!